What's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to set up a RustDesk server setup on Windows. Before you start, decide the server IP, server hostname, hypervisor, and VM OS, which is the Ubuntu server. Changing IP or hostname later is difficult. Now create Ubuntu server VM in Hyper-V, then set static IP or reserve it in your router. Enable SSH during install and set the server name correctly. Install minimum system, and after install, use the command to configure firewall or UFW. Install RustDesk server using this command, and you can use DNS-based setup. Enable HTTP server and format DNS as server name.domain. Just save the web login credentials and public key shown at the end. Now reboot and open ports to the internet, TCP and UDP as shown. This allows remote access outside your network. Now open RustDesk, go to Settings, Network, unlock Settings, and enter your server address and public key. If configured correctly, status shown ready. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.